Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Laser Para construction is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious DIY enthusiast or professional contractor, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency in marking and layout tasks. Whether you're framing a new wall, installing cabinets, or hanging shelves, a reliable laser level can drastically reduce errors and save you valuable time on the job. This device projects perfectly straight lines, eliminating the guesswork associated with traditional spirit levels and chalk lines, ensuring your projects are not only faster but also aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. Its advanced technology provides accuracy that is hard to match, making it an indispensable part of modern construction and renovation. Number 5. Huepar 100-foot self-leveling green cross-line laser. Introducing the Huepar laser level, designed for precise alignment in your home projects. It offers a bright green cross line for clear visibility indoors. Getting started is simple. Just slide the switch to activate self-leveling mode for instant, accurate crossline projection. It's perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. This tool automatically levels within 4 degrees, or you can lock the pendulum for manual mode to create angled lines. This offers great flexibility for any task. Experience up to twice the brightness of traditional red lasers. Its clear green lines ensure excellent visibility, even in well-lit indoor environments. Achieve precise results with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet. Its wide 110 degrees field covers large areas, making detailed work easier. Designed to be portable and rugged, it fits comfortably in your hand and withstands job site conditions. It's ready for any project, big or small. Your purchase includes everything you need, plus a 24-month warranty and dedicated support. We're here to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This one offers a brighter green laser, making it great for indoor visibility. Its compact and rugged design means it can handle job sites. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for a reliable and easy-to-use tool for everyday tasks like picture hanging or tiling, this is a solid choice. What people say. The laser is incredibly accurate, making precise measurements for construction projects a breeze. Its durable build quality ensures it can withstand tough job site conditions. The bright, clear laser line is easily visible even in well-lit environments. Number 4. Fanttik D2 Pocket Green Laser Level. Introducing the Fanttik D2 Pocket Green Laser Level, your ultimate companion for home DIY projects. It offers precise leveling and a bright green laser for clear visibility. Never worry about power again. This device features a rechargeable battery that provides up to 10 hours of continuous use on a single charge, and it's built to last. Experience superior accuracy with its cutting-edge green laser technology. It's 4 times brighter than red lasers, ensuring precise results for hanging pictures or shelves. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable. The durable TPE rubber casing protects it from drops, and the magnetic bracket allows for versatile 360-degree positioning. Work with confidence even in bright sunlight. The pulse mode extends its working range outdoors, allowing for precise measurements even in challenging conditions. Effortlessly achieve perfect alignment with its self-leveling feature. For angled applications, simply switch to manual mode to lock the beam in place. Everything you need is in the box, including the laser level, magnetic bracket, USB-C cable, and a convenient carrying pouch for easy transport. What we like. This option boasts a convenient Type-C rechargeable battery with a long 10-hour runtime. It also features an outdoor-friendly pulse mode for extended range with a receiver. If you need a portable laser level that's easy to keep charged and can handle brighter outdoor conditions, this is a great pick for home DIY projects. What people say. The laser is incredibly accurate, making layout tasks much faster and more precise. Its self-leveling feature works flawlessly, saving a lot of time and effort on uneven surfaces. The beam is bright and easily visible even in well-lit conditions, which is a huge plus for outdoor use. Number 3. Huepar Pro 4D Green Laser Level ZK04CG. Introducing the Huepar Pro Laser Level, designed for ultimate precision in your construction projects. Experience self-leveling technology and brilliant green cross lines for accurate work. Achieve accuracy of plus or minus 1/13 inch at 33 feet, with a working range of up to 100 feet. Extend its reach to 200 feet outdoors with pulse mode and a receiver. Enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous use with the rechargeable battery. Its Type-C charging port and removable design offer convenience, and it can even charge other devices. The smart pendulum self-levels in seconds, alerting you to any tilt. Lock it for manual mode to project lines at any angle, with independent control over each of the 4 360 degrees lines. Control its functions remotely from up to 32.8 feet away. The magnetic bracket allows for quick attachment and precise adjustments on metal surfaces. Its 4D laser capabilities, including a 360 degrees floor line, make it perfect for tiling. The adjustable lifting base provides flexibility for various project heights. Constructed with durable materials, it's shockproof and IP54 rated for water and dust resistance. It comes with a hard case for easy transport and storage. What we like. This professional-grade tool features 4 360-degree green laser lines for complete coverage and comes with a remote control for easy operation. It also offers an impressive 5-year warranty. If you're a contractor or remodeler who needs maximum coverage, convenience, and long-term reliability, this is the tool for you. What people say. The laser is incredibly accurate, making precise measurements for construction projects. Its durable design withstands tough job site conditions, ensuring longevity. The bright laser line is easily visible even in well-lit environments. Number 2. DOVOH H3 Outdoor Laser Level Kit. This laser level is designed for outdoor use, featuring a receiver for accurate detection and enhanced visibility, even in bright sunlight. It's perfect for your outdoor projects. Experience a laser beam that's 3 times more powerful than standard levels. This high-power output extends its range when used with the receiver, ensuring you can see your mark. We've included practical accessories like a target plate and green glasses to help you spot the laser beam outdoors. For even greater range, pair it with the receiver. Built to withstand tough job sites, its core assembly is protected by a double shockproof design. This ensures reliability and longevity, even in demanding conditions. Keep working without interruption thanks to dual high-capacity batteries. This provides extended operational time, so you can complete long projects without frequent recharging. We stand by our accuracy with a 5-year warranty for any issues caused by normal use. Plus, enjoy a 2-year warranty for any quality concerns. What we like. This laser level is specifically designed for outdoor use, coming with a receiver for long-range visibility, even in sunlight, thanks to its 3x output power. It also includes dual batteries for extended work time. If your projects are primarily outdoors, like grading, decking, or framing, and you need a powerful, reliable tool that can handle bright conditions, this is the one to consider. What people say. The laser level is self-leveling, making setup quick and easy. It projects clear and bright lines, even in well-lit rooms. The magnetic mounting bracket allows for versatile placement on metal surfaces. Number 1. Huepar W04CG4D Bluetooth Green Laser Level. Introducing a laser level recognized with prestigious awards, designed for professionals. It's the trusted choice for those who demand innovation and durability in their tools. Experience seamless operation with its motorized rotating base. Easily control it via Bluetooth or remote from up to 65 feet away, saving you valuable time on any project. This tool projects 4 ultra-bright green laser lines for complete coverage of walls, ceilings, and floors. Its ultra-low ground projection is perfect for detailed tasks like tiling. Monitor all essential details at a glance on the large LCD panel. The glove-friendly touchscreen provides full status control, even in challenging conditions. Adapt to any situation with self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes. Extend its working range significantly when paired with a compatible receiver, even outdoors. Designed to withstand tough job site conditions, its exterior is dustproof, rain-resistant, and impact-resistant. It also includes safety features for drop protection. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year warranty and lifetime technical support. We are committed to providing best-in-class service for your investment. What we like. This is an award-winning laser level with a unique motorized rotating base and Bluetooth app control for ultimate convenience and precision. It offers 4 360-degree laser planes with ultra-low ground projection. If you're a serious professional who values cutting-edge technology, efficiency on large job sites, and precise control, this advanced tool will significantly streamline your workflow. What people say. The laser is incredibly accurate and the beam is bright enough to see even in direct sunlight. Setup was a breeze, and the self-leveling feature works perfectly, saving a lot of time on the job. The build quality feels robust and durable, designed to withstand tough construction site conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.